Foeniculum vulgare, commonly known as fennel, is a flavorful culinary herb and a medicinal plant. Both fennel and its seeds are packed with nutrients. The fresh bulb is a good source of vitamin C, which is critical for the immune health, tissue repair, and collagen synthesis. Vitamin C also acts as a potent antioxidant in the body, protecting against cellular damage caused by unstable molecules called free radicals. Both the bulb and the seed contain the mineral manganese, and this is important for enzyme activation, metabolism, cellular protection, bone development, blood sugar regulation, and wound healing. Aside from the manganese, the fennel and the seed contain other minerals vital to bone health, like potassium, magnesium, and calcium. Perhaps the most impressive benefit of fennel and fennel seed comes from the antioxidants and the potent plant compounds they contain. The essential oil of the plant has been shown to contain more than 87 volatile compounds, including the polyphenol antioxidant rosmarinic acid, chlorogenic acid, quercetin, and apigenin. Polyphenol antioxidants are potent anti-inflammatory agents, and they have powerful effects on your health. Studies suggest people who follow diets rich in these antioxidants have a lower risk of chronic conditions like heart disease, obesity, cancer, neurological diseases, and type 2 diabetes. What's more, over 28 compounds have been identified in the fennel seed, including anatole, fencone, methyl carvacol, and limonene. Animal and test tube studies note the organic compound anatole has anti-cancer, antimicrobial, antiviral, and anti-inflammatory properties. Finally, the compound limonene helps to combat free radicals, and it's been shown to protect rat cells from damage caused by certain chronic diseases. Fennel seeds not only add depth and flavor to recipes, but they also help to curb appetite. A study in 9 healthy women demonstrated those who drank 8.5 ounces or 250 milliliters of tea made with 2 grams of fennel seed before eating lunch felt significantly less hungry and consumed fewer calories during the meal than those who drank a placebo tea. Anatole, a major component of the fennel essential oil, may be behind the appetite-suppressing qualities of the plant. That said, in another study in 47 women, it was found those who supplemented with 300 milligrams of fennel extract daily for 12 weeks gained a small amount of weight compared to a placebo group. They also did not experience a reduced appetite. Eating fennel and its seed can protect the heart in many ways, as it's packed with fiber, a nutrient shown to reduce certain heart disease risk factors like high cholesterol. 1 cup of raw fennel bulb has 3 grams of fiber, or 11% of the daily reference value. Diets high in fiber have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease. A review of 22 studies associated a greater dietary fiber intake with a lower risk of heart disease. For every additional 7 grams of fiber consumed per day, heart disease risk decreased by 9%. Fennel and its seeds also contain nutrients like magnesium, potassium, and calcium, and these play important roles in keeping your heart healthy. For example, including rich sources of potassium in your diet can help to reduce high blood pressure, another risk factor for heart disease. The wide array of powerful plant compounds in the fennel can help to protect against chronic diseases, including certain cancers. For example, anatole, one of the main active compounds in the fennel seed, has been found to exhibit cancer-fighting properties. One test tube study showed that anatole suppressed cell growth and it induced apoptosis, or programmed cell death. Another test tube study observed fennel seed extract stopped the spread of human breast cancer cells and induced cancer cell death. Animal studies also suggest that extracts from the seed can protect against breast and liver cancer. Fennel has been shown to have galactogenic properties, meaning it helps to increase milk secretion. Research suggests specific substances found in anatole, such as dianethol and photoanethol are responsible for the galactogenic effect of the plant. Fennel can increase milk secretion and blood levels of prolactin, a hormone that signals the body to produce breast milk. However, other studies have found no effect on milk secretion or on infant weight gain. Negative side effects such as poor weight gain and difficulty feeding have also been reported in infants whose mothers drank lactation teas containing fennel. For these reasons, breastfeeding women should consult their healthcare provider before using fennel to stimulate milk production. Fennel has antibacterial properties. Studies show the fennel extracts inhibit the growth of potentially harmful bacteria and yeast like E. coli, Staphylococcus aureus, and Candida albicans. Fennel can reduce inflammation. The power antioxidants it contains, like vitamin C and quercetin, can help to reduce inflammation and levels of inflammatory markers. It can benefit mental health. Animal studies have found fennel extracts can reduce age-related memory deficits. It can help to relieve menopausal symptoms. A review of 10 studies noted that fennel can improve sexual function and satisfaction in menopausal women, as well as relieve hot flashes, vaginal itching, dryness, pain during sex, and sleep disturbances. Fennel has antibacterial properties and it may improve mental health, relieve menopausal symptoms, and reduce inflammation. Still, it's unlikely that fennel or its seeds would offer the same effects when eaten in small amounts. It's important to note that many of these studies use concentrated doses of the plant, and it's unlikely that eating small amounts of fennel or its seed would offer the same benefits. Though fennel and its seeds are likely safe when eaten in moderation, there's some safety concerns over more concentrated sources of fennel, such as extracts and supplements. For example, fennel has strong estrogenic properties, meaning it acts similarly to the hormone estrogen. While this may help to relieve menopausal symptoms, it may be unsafe for pregnant women. Due to its estrogen-like activity, there's concern over the plant's potential for teratogenicity, the potential to disturb fetal growth and development. A study that evaluated the teratogenicity of fennel essential oil showed high doses may have toxic effects on fetal cells. Although eating fennel and its seed is likely safe, pregnant women should avoid taking supplements or ingesting the essential oil of this plant. Fennel may also interact with certain medications, including estrogen pills and certain cancer medications, so always consult a healthcare provider before using a high-dose supplement or an extract of its oil. For more information about herbs, supplements, and natural treatment plans, check out my website.